Hey everyone, it's Jamie here from Ecom Masterclass, and in this video I'll be going over Shopify blog images. I'll be specifically going over how you can insert them into your blog, edit them so they look nice, as well as where to find high quality blog images that are royalty free so you can use them in your blogs. Make sure you stay until the end of the video here as I'll be going everything step by step. Also, if you enjoy any of this content, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. So first, let's find out the site where you can find high quality blog images, and then we'll go over how to add these into your Shopify blog. So the best site to find high quality images is going to be called unsplash.com. They have over 3 million free high resolution images brought to you by the world's most generous community of photographers. They have over 3 million curated photos and almost a community of 300,000 members. So there's a giant library here, and you simply have to search for the high resolution category you're looking for. So let's say you're a Shopify store and you sell outdoor camping gear. You could search camping here. I misspelled that there, but I'll just search camping, and there's tons of high quality images here. So let's say I wanted to add this image to my blog. I simply have to hit the download photo button, begin the download process to my computer. Something to note about these Unsplash files is that they're extremely large, so you want to make sure you're doing some optimization before you upload them to your blog. So if you're on a Mac, you can go to Tools in the top hand bar, then to adjust size. Then you can just decrease the image file size here. Let's say I want it just to be 1000 width, and it's going to automatically adjust the height, and then I'll hit save. Something else you should do is compress the image. There's a free site called tinypng.com. All you want to do is just upload that photo you just downloaded, and you can see it's going to go from 160 KB to 88 KB. And you can just re-download that, and it's going to be compressed, and because it's a smaller file size, it's going to take less to load and should help increase the loading times. Before I dive any further, I want to thank our sponsor ProfitCalc, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. It's going to give you your true profit calculations. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking to see. You can get real-time calculations as well as a variety of different analytics, making it super easy to understand how your store is actually performing and how much money you're actually making. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your ad accounts such as Facebook, Google, Bing, TikTok, Pinterest, and Snapchat. There's different cost of goods sold integrations, as well as different analytic reports, so you can get detailed breakdowns on your store orders. There's a link in the description to access a 15-day free trial. This will bring you to the Shopify app listing. Alternatively, you can look for ProfitCalc in the Shopify App Store. Just search ProfitCalc and then look for this logo in the top left here. So make sure you check that out and test drive everything for yourself with a 15-day free trial. So now let's dive into how we can add these blog images into our Shopify blog. From your dashboard here, you want to go into the sidebar menu on the left, scroll all the way down to Online Store. So once you click that, it's going to expand a few new tabs here, one of them being blog posts. Once you click into blog posts, you can then go write a blog post. I'm going to click create one. Alternatively, you can edit one, but I'm going to create one because this store here doesn't have any blogs or blog posts. I'm just going to call this test blog here. And so you can set a featured image. So I could, for say, add this featured image here that I downloaded from Unsplash. And so this featured image will be used when displaying your blog post in a list, depending on your Shopify theme. If I go copy some random text here and I go back to this blog post, I can copy and paste it here just to give this post some text. And let's say I want to add an image to the top. So let's create some space using the Enter key. Then I can go to Insert Image. And I can then upload a file. And so in this case, it's going to be that Unsplash image that I compressed, as the file size is going to be a little bit smaller. Once that's uploaded, I can simply click on the image. I can then add an image alt tag. So this alt tag is going to make the images more accessible to everyone, including people with visual impairments. Google will also use your alt tags to help determine what the image is. So I could just call it camping tent and just leave it pretty basic. There's also the option to edit the size. So you can say whether it's going to be certain sizes that fit into these categories, such as a logo with 160 pixels, product image at 480, wallpaper at 1024. And so you can just leave this as product image here at 480 pixels. To insert this image, I can hit insert image, and that will insert that image into my blog post. Now this looks to be centered to the left here, whether I want it to be centered on the web page. So if I select the image here, I go up to the alignment tab, I go to center align. That will center align just my image here. And if I go to save, that will save this image and this blog post here. And just like that, you've added images to your blog posts. Overall, it's an extremely easy process, and it's made much easier by tools such as Unsplash, which provide free images which you can then use for your blog. So this is going to conclude the video here on Shopify blog images. I went over everything step by step, from finding the image to optimizing the image to uploading it to your Shopify blog. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment as well. I'll mention Profit Calc quickly again, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. Just search for Profit Calc in the Shopify App Store, or there's a link in the description to access the same listing, both of which get you access to a 15-day free trial where you can test drive everything for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.